Hey guys, welcome back to another video, cooking with TZ&C. So today we're making KFC styled popcorn chicken right here at home. So if you feel for a snack, a bite size, this is the recipe to try out. Right, so first we're going to start off here with a pound of chicken thigh or breast. So if you have chicken thigh or chicken breast, you can go ahead and use it. Also, we have here bone into the chicken. So what we're doing now is we are removing the bone or deboning the chicken. So I have here the chicken breast that was deboned. So this is what we want, right? Our chicken breast. So what we're going to do now is to cut it into small pieces. Stick around. Next, we're going to rinse our chicken with vinegar to reduce the rawness from the meat. All wash with vinegar. So next we're going to cut the chicken breast into small pieces. So you want to cut them in somewhat like a square or as small as this, because remember we're going to be making popcorn chicken, so you can cut them very small. So when the chicken is thawed, when the chicken is thawed out, it is better to cut, preferably when it have some ice in it, the chicken breast strips, when it have some ice in it, because it is not very soft, it is not too saggy, so it is more firmer to cut and easier. Look at this, guys. So when you cut it like this, it cuts easily. So when it is very soft, it is kind of harder, or it is saggy, so it is too soft. So when you cut it like this, you get perfect size that you need. So we're just going to repeat this process to cut them into smaller pieces. We'll soon come back. So we have here our chicken breast, and what we're going to do, see the size, this is the size, perfect size that we're looking for, right? So so you don't want them too big, right? So what we're going to do now is to transfer them into this container. Okay guys, so to season, we're going to now season the chicken breast. So to season the chicken breast, we're going to add some black pepper. This is optional, just a pinch, right? We're also going to add here some salt, right? So we're gonna add some salt. Guys, this is lightly, I'm just doing it very light. So this is about a 1/4 teaspoon. It's not a lot of salt, guys, it's just lightly sprinkling it. And we're also going to add some Maggi all-purpose season, just to add a little flavor to our chicken breast. Next, we're going to get everything blended. So we're going to get our paper wrap and put over it. We're going to place it into the refrigerator to be marinated. So we're going to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can marinate less. You can marinate for less time. We're gonna place it into the refrigerator. We'll soon come back. Okay, so to make the crust for the popcorn chicken, we're going to crack a egg into a container. So we crack 1 egg into a container. So you want to crack it into separate container to ensure that the egg is not spoiled, and then you pour it in. So we crack 2 eggs and pour it into the container. This way, if the egg is bad, if the egg is spoiled, you can just throw it away and start over. Because if you crack both of them in the same container, then you won't find out if the egg is spoiled or if it is good. So it's safer crack in a container and then you transfer it in the bowl. That afterwards you're going to give this this. So 1.5 cups of flour, right? And here we're going to add some seasoning, about a 1/4 teaspoon, and also a pinch of black pepper. So you want to get that flavor on the outside, on the crust, right? And then we're going to mix it. To get everything blended. Our flour ready and the egg to make the crust. So you're going to need an extra bowl to transfer the coated popcorn chicken into, right? So first, we're going to take the chicken breast, place them into the flour. You want to separate them. And don't add too much because you don't want the flour to be clumpy. Next, we're going to coat. Going to shake off excess flour from the chicken. So you shake off the excess because you know we want the double coat. We want that popcorn look to our chicken breast. After shaking off the excess, we're going to place them into the egg. So we're going to place them into the egg. Coat them into the egg. So we are using our hands today. After coating into the egg, so you ensure that it is not dripping. And then we're going to place it back into the flour. Then you're going to coat a second coating for the chicken breast. Look at this, guys. And then you transfer into the plate. Then we're going to repeat the process over and over until we completed the batch of popcorn chicken. Puffy look. So we're going to now transfer these into the frying pan. So the oil is well hot, so you want to ensure it is hot. So now we're going to place the popcorn chickens into the oil. Look at that zest, guys. Wow. Look at that, guys. Our popcorn chicken getting golden brown. Look at the texture. Right. So now we're going to take out the cooked popcorn chicken. Look at the texture, guys. So we have another batch there. Look at this. So we have another batch there waiting to be finished. Fully immersed in hot oil. Look at the crust. You can see that popcorn texture. So we're just going to leave it there to get crispy and golden brown. This soon come back. So this is the second batch, guys. Going on strong. Looking very nice. Look at the texture. Lovely. Look at it, guys. Stove top. No deep fry. You can get your Jamaican popcorn chicken. Look at them. So on a Friday, if you do some popcorn chicken or any time in the week, you can just make some popcorn chicken right there at home in the comfort of your home, right, with some chicken breast. Look at it. Perfect. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Second batch. Going to remove, shake off the oil. Look at the texture, guys. Draining the oil from it. KFC right at home in the comfort of your home. Jamaican KFC popcorn chicken. Lovely. Popcorn chicken. Very crispy. So our delicious popcorn chicken, we're just going to take a look inside. Let me show you how it is. So here is our crispy and delicious crunchy popcorn chicken, KFC popcorn chicken, Jamaican style, right there in the comfort of your home. I do hope you enjoy this video. Look at that, guys. Very crunchy, crispy, and delicious. All it need now is some ranch to dip in it, to dip the popcorn chicken in, or some even as simple as some ketchup. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you're new and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Cooking with TZ&C. Share with a friend. Tell your mom about Cooking with TZ&C. Tell your dad, your uncle, your nephew, everyone that you come across. Show us some love. Share our videos. Look at that texture, guys. What more could you want than a recipe that allows you to make KFC popcorn chicken right here at home, quick and easy, with some simple ingredient right in your home, in your refrigerator and in your cupboard. If you enjoy this recipe, you might want to check out our chicken playlist. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.